Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code CE-38706-4. This code typically signals an issue with game or application data, or sometimes even your console's system software. It can be frustrating when your games won't load, but don't worry, many common solutions are available. We will guide you through simple steps to get you back to playing. Your first step should always be a simple restart of your console. Sometimes that's all it takes to clear a temporary software conflict. After restarting, double-check that your system software is completely up to date. Navigate to your settings, then System, and select System Software Update to confirm you are running the very latest version. A powerful troubleshooting step is to rebuild your console's database. To do this, turn off your console completely, then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep to enter safe mode. From the menu, select option number 4, Rebuild Database. This process is safe and can take several minutes, depending on your storage size. If the error persists, the issue might lie with the specific game or application data itself. First, back up any important game save data to cloud storage or a USB drive. Then, delete the problematic game from your system storage and perform a complete reinstall. This often resolves data corruption that might have occurred during an initial download or update. If you have tried all previous steps without success, your final option is to initialize your console. This process essentially factory resets the system, erasing all data and returning it to its original state. Remember to absolutely back up any crucial game saves before proceeding. If the error continues even after initialization, reaching out to customer support is your best next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.